just wondering, should I put it in? Because it's a self-striping yarn, and I think I'm going to break the rule and wait for the new color. Oh, and I just took this hat with me. Whoa. Panic mode. I don't have anything to knit. We're heading to the shop, or hopefully we'll go back straight away, so it's not a big deal. I'm wearing a different hat. Wheat field hat. My design, I love it so much. It's a folded brim, it's that thick. And then you have some lace pattern. I love the yarn, so check out my finished object video. Check playlist hats basically, and you'll have that. Or my patterns. Either playlist hat or either playlist my patterns. Because it's just, the blend is amazing. I just forgot what it was, but yeah, fingering weight. My new addiction, I think. Eek! Do I have a ground or soil, I should say, for all of this? If you have an issue with storage your yarn, just basically make more storage. That's what we're going to do. We're going to flip them and put them vertical and put in another two. So today is a little bit messy day. We're going to take care of this wall, put more stuff, so I can put the yarn in so there was no yarn around. That's the goal. Let me take this moment, and while Seb's preparing a beautiful, a lovely, a delicious coffee in the glasses, I'm going to open this. Look at that! First things first, look at this. I have in the kitchen a bigger version of this. And this beauty. Such a nice one. So nice. And this is hedgehog fiber socks. Now, do you see it? What's the name of the color? Please let me know down below. Ta-da! Actually, I'm up to date with the hat. I'll show you later. Then this beauty. Oh, oh, oh my! This is precious knits. Look at this, precious knits. That looks like it should be displayed. And the flowers, so cute. Do you see it? Precious knits. So cute. And the mini is this one, and we have a note. What did you do with this? 7 Sisters, AAS, Alcyone, Damsfly, 7/2010, Merino, Cashmere Nylon, used in my Amulet shawl. So again, Amulet by Alan Stewart. That's a nice color. It reminds me of my first mini from Diane that I used in the hat. So nice. And I have this, and I'm tempted to use it. And check it out. It says daily extras. So I don't want to let them wait or make them wait. Okay, open from the bottom if you don't want to destroy it, okay? Oh, that's good that I opened it now. Look inside. David's tea. I love any tea. So if you have any tea in your country that you would not buy in Tesco Lidl, any like big things, send them my way. I think I should show you this way. So this way. So nice, thank you. I'll put it back. So precious. Thank you so much. You can have a sneak peek of the next finished object that I'm going to show you, hopefully. And this is what I'm doing. I'm putting all those progress keepers over here, so this one looks pretty.